Cultivation of cotton. Cotton is primarily grown in warm climates with plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. Major cotton-producing countries include the United States, China, India, and Pakistan. Farmers plant cotton seeds in the spring, and the plants grow for several months before flowering. The cotton bolls, which contain the fibers, develop and are harvested in late summer or early fall. Harvesting cotton. Cotton can be harvested either by hand or using mechanical harvesters. In many regions, hand-picking is still practiced to ensure high-quality fibers, especially in areas where labor costs are low. Mechanical harvesters are commonly used in larger fields for efficiency. Once harvested, the cotton is collected and transported to processing facilities. Ginning process. After harvesting, cotton goes through a ginning process where the cotton fibers are separated from the seeds. This is done using machines called cotton gins, which efficiently remove the seeds while keeping the fibers intact. The result is clean cotton lint ready for spinning into yarn. Spinning cotton into yarn. The clean cotton fibers are then spun into yarn. This involves drawing out the fibers and twisting them together to create a continuous strand. Spinning can be done using various methods, including ring spinning and open-end spinning, depending on the desired yarn characteristics. Weaving and knitting. Once the cotton yarn is produced, it can be woven or knitted into fabric. Weaving involves interlacing two sets of yarns at right angles, while knitting involves creating a series of interlocking loops. The choice of method affects the texture and durability of the final fabric. Dyeing and finishing. After the fabric is created, it can be dyed in various colors and patterns. Finishing processes may include treatments to improve texture, reduce wrinkling, or enhance water resistance. This stage is crucial for producing high-quality cotton textiles. Sustainability in cotton production. Cotton farming has significant environmental impacts, including water usage and pesticide application. Sustainable practices, such as organic farming and crop rotation, are gaining traction to mitigate these issues. Certifications like Better Cotton Initiative promote more sustainable cotton production methods. Economic impact of cotton. Cotton is a vital cash crop for many economies, providing livelihoods for millions of farmers globally. The cotton industry supports various sectors, from agriculture to textiles, and is crucial for both local economies and global trade. History of cotton. Cotton has been cultivated for thousands of years, with origins tracing back to the Indus Valley and ancient civilizations in Peru and Egypt. Its use in textiles has evolved, influencing fashion and culture throughout history. Cotton products and uses. Cotton is incredibly versatile and is used in a wide range of products, including clothing, bed linens, towels, and industrial textiles. Its breathability, softness, and absorbency make it a popular choice for various applications. These topics provide a comprehensive overview of cotton, covering its journey from field to fabric and the broader implications of its production.